Through the door.
I don't know if you want to show him this so he sees how it changes.
Sure.
But you go, that's pallet 1 and pallet 2, so pallet 1, and then load confirm.
Okay. Well, do it now. Now just do it again, so I can see it. Or is it doing it automatically?
Because we haven't ran in a while, sometimes it sticks, so it just has to find itself.
So you're going to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. To me, like it works just fine. Okay. And then...
see, it's not grabbing that one.
What's it supposed to grab?
But that might just be Rocky needs to come fine tune it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yesterday it was doing it. It wasn't doing this. It was changing pallets just fine. But sometimes it throws this alarm. So it might just be that he has to come back and just fine tune it.
Okay. It's no big deal.
No, we had this happen before and it's nothing.
Okay.
So then I can go back to pallet 1.
Okay. Okay.
So there, it's fine.
Now can we run it in all the axes? Can we open the door or do we have to have it closed?
Sorry, yeah. We're running X. I don't know if you see it.
Yeah, I can see it. Okay, running Y. Oh, that's running Z there.
There's Y.
Oh, that's Y. Oh, it's going back and forth. I see it. Okay, yeah, cool. Okay. Okay, now I got it. Okay, so when it's moving in Y, the table doesn't move, the actual tool holder moves.
Yeah, so X, the table only moves.
Okay, do
Y,
X again.
Do X.
Yeah. Okay, now do Y again. Then finish what you were saying.
Y, the spindle is the only thing that moves.
Right.
And then Z, they both move.
Right. Now, that's pretty nice.
But it runs, it's smooth,
yeah, awesome.